Listen and learn. Climbing trees. Carl was outside on a beautiful spring morning, looking up at a tall tree in his backyard. Today is the day, he thought. I'm going to climb this tree. Carl had always been curious about the view from the top. He imagined it would be like seeing the whole world. Taking a deep breath, Carl reached for the lowest branch and pulled himself up. Each step took him higher, and with every branch he felt more excited. The leaves rustled around him, whispering secrets of the sky. As Carl climbed, he noticed a bird's nest on a branch. He paused and smiled, watching the birds fly in and out. This tree is a home, Carl realized. It was alive with stories and songs of its own. Finally, Carl reached a sturdy branch near the top. The view was breathtaking. He could see his house, the park, and even the distant mountains. Wow, the world is so beautiful from up here, Carl whispered to himself. After a while, Carl carefully climbed down, feeling proud and amazed. He had climbed the tree and seen a new perspective of his world. I'll climb more trees, Carl decided. There's so much more to see and learn. When he reached the ground, Carl looked up at the tree, grateful for the adventure. Thank you, he said softly, patting the trunk. Carl knew this was just the beginning of his adventures with trees. Quiz time. What did Carl decide to do one spring morning? A. Go fishing. B. Play soccer. C. Climb a tree. Or D. Ride his bike. C. Climb a tree. What did Carl realize about the tree? A. It was too tall. B. It needed to be cut down. C. It was a home. Or D. It was scary. C. It was a home. What fascinated Carl as he climbed? A. A bird's nest. B. A kite stuck in the branches. C. Lightning bugs. Or D. Falling leaves. A. A bird's nest. Why was Carl amazed when he reached the top? A. He found treasure. B. He saw a beautiful view. C. He felt like flying. Or D. He could touch the clouds. B. He saw a beautiful view. What did Carl decide after climbing the tree? A. To never climb again. B. To plant more trees. C. To climb more trees. Or D. To build a treehouse. C. To climb more trees.